G'day everybody, hope you're well, hope you're having a great day. Today is the day that Bitcoin pushed to new all-time highs, and this guy was wrong. Yes, that's correct, I was wrong. If you were on my free newsletter that went out on Tuesday, you would have heard me say that I thought, given the way the market was looking, to my eye, the probability of us staying in a consolidation was high or having a little bit of a pullback. Why? Well, because the weekly, it had been on such a strong run. This was 6 weeks in a row, and the 7th week it is now. And I figured, probability-wise, I thought we might have a little bit of a breather, a little bit of a pullback before pushing on, and we just simply haven't. And I will also say that in that newsletter, I said, I hope this is the time that I am wrong. I am wrong. But I also trade what I see, not what I think. And I was able to pick up a long here that I put out to Discord in the community. Those of you who were there are probably in this. I traded a long, even though I thought the market might go sideways. I put in a long order because the market gave me the opportunity to do so. So that's already more than risk-free in profit. Today's trade was here on ANIME. There you go. We were already locked in again, not just break even, but I'm in profit. I took a bit of profit. And then I got hyped from a breakout from way back over here, which is sitting at 11 to 1 on my risk multiple. So it's been a really good time to be trading. It's been a really good time to be in my Discord community trading anyway, because people are doing very, very well. I've been posting plenty in there and we've been kicking ass. Still waiting for the lower timeframes to get some really good trends in motion. We've got Ethereum pushing on here, but it's not really, look at the cyclicity. We're only just sort of starting to get a little bit. We've gone rip down, rip back up. It's there that's really opening the door for me as a trader to be getting onto those lower timeframes. And across the board, seeing much of that. My focus has been on the higher timeframes. I'm really hopeful to see this buying continue, or at least have a bit of a pullback and then continue to move to the upside. Now, Bitcoin's dominance chart's an interesting one. Have a look here on the weekly. We're back into that cradle zone. We broke the high that was earlier today, and we've come off a little bit, but this is likely to continue. Based on the trend, it's likely to continue to push on up somewhere around that 70 to 72% range before we see a really crazy alt run. That's what's happened in past bull runs anyway. It is nice to see the alts starting to take off and do well. Total market cap at $3.4 trillion dollars. I'm interested as well for a lot of people out there that were, when the market was doing this part through here, a lot of panic, a lot of people saying the bull market was over, freaking out. These people don't have perspective. These people don't know what they're looking at, and they're just focusing on what's right in front of their face and not looking out further. And they probably don't have the experience. Throughout here, we were cool. Bullish candle, break the high. It's all on target. Look at Bitcoin, same sort of thing. Even nailed the level for it to pull back to almost to the dollar. Having this in perspective makes things a lot easier. We're reaping the rewards now. And for those of you that are trading and you don't have a plan, well, good luck. For those of you who do have a plan, especially those that have got the plan that I've put together, good on you, because you're reaping the rewards, especially if you're in Discord right now. And if you're not in Discord and you've got access, please come back, because we're having a great time. We're doing really well, and the vibe is very, very strong. So right now, I've got my trades on. There's a number of others that I've been stalking and watching for breakouts and whatnot. The market is moving really, really well. These are the 3 trades that I'm in. I'll be waiting to see if we can get some good cyclicity on these lower time frames coming into the session tomorrow. Now, of course, there is a trend here. We do have an uptrend. I'd be more than happy to be looking to trade something down around 109 on Bitcoin, whether that be on the 2 or the 4 hour. If it was the 4, probably in a little bit deeper, like 108 as it stands at the moment. But overall, Bitcoin pushing to new all-time highs. If you want more information, hit the link in bio. Any questions, hit me up in comments. I hope you're having a good time and a great night, because I am. This is a very fun time to be in this market, guys. We've been waiting a long time. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.